At number 10 is a straight-up electric monster. Meet the Rimac Nevera. This Croatian-built beast is the first ever 4-electric motor hypercar. Each wheel gets its own electric motor, pushing out a mind-melting 1,914 horsepower and 2,360 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60 just in 1.85 seconds and claiming a top speed of 258 miles per hour. Underneath, a 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack is built right into the carbon-monocoque chassis. With a low-slung body and active aerodynamics keeps the weight balanced near 50-50 ratio. Advanced torque vectoring and regenerative braking teamed up with Brembo carbon ceramic brakes helps it to absolutely nail every corner. 150 units worldwide, and with the price tag of $2.5 million, Rimac Nevera proves that electric doesn't mean boring.